You know what to do with that big fat butt. Wiggle, wiggle. Yes!
Oh, you're so beautiful. It don't go.
Oh, I will.
Wetin be this? Wetin be this? Wetin be this?
Police. Yes, I just got.
Looking at she kill the goat. Looking at she spend money. Something must to kill it. Sawa, sawa, sawa.
Haha, blood of Jesus. Blood of Jesus.
Why is your house so empty?
I just got robbed.
I'm thinking of you.
I believe I can fly. I believe I
I'll be right back.
Babe! Hello, police. Yes, I just got to my last phone with it.
Okay, wetin happen?
Sorry. What is wrong with me?
Je suis une clandestine,
Let me just say congratulations.
Thank you
Your
very
first assignment is calling owing
Oh,
customers.
of course, I'm up to it.
All right, I'm loving the eagerness.
Let me just, it's
You're
ready.
smiling too much. The idea
Alright,
is to stay wicked.
stay wicked.
I hope you can impress me.
Good morning, Mr. Mustakim Olawale Abodere Moses.
Good.
We are calling you here from L Credit.
Good.
Your loan with us, 65,000 naira, has now grown into 650,000 with 2 plots of land in Ikoyi, Lagos.
Fantastic.
Mr. Mustakim Olawale Abodere Moses, if you refuse to pay us in the next 40 minutes, we are prepared to take spiritual measures against you and your guarantor.
Big one.
That's in person of Mr. Olaiwo.
Ah, the guarantor is your namesake.
Mosh. How far now?
Mr. Olai, what was going on?
I'm coming. Yeah, that job where I tell you, say I applied for weeks ago. Yeah, I don't. Yeah, now today I start work now. Oh, you sabi? All right. How come you say you don't where you dey owe them money? You know say I know say I dey owe you normal, but make I pay them direct. Mosh, you know say I just start this. Hello.
Olai, what was the problem?
So boss is off the hook.
Ah, are you
What is
possessed?
the next line of action?
Oh my God! Ow! Yeah. Ow!
Wetin be this? Wetin be?
Are you mad?
Man, Peter.
What the hell?
Hey, don't be a madness.
I was just giving him a mad massage.
Let me see. He's a mad woman.
Just calm down.
What am I doing here?
Well, you were caught beating a woman and this happened to you.
Man, Peter.
Me beat a woman. I must be a madman to beat a woman.
Apparently you were mad.
Eh? How can I end up like this? Who did this to me?
Well, in her defense, she gave you a mad beating that returned you back to your senses.
A woman beats me like this. Is she mad?
Oh, yes, she was.
Blood.
What happened between both of us?
You guys were lovers and one could say you were madly in love.
Wetin be this? Wetin be this? Wetin be this?
Why did she do this to me?
You caught her cheating and you got mad at her. It was a mad fight.
Says, but yes, that explains a lot. Who is that?
He's one of the patients from the ward and he thinks he's a mad cameraman.
Wetin be this? Wetin be this? Wetin?
Who are those?
They are a mad audience.
Mad though.
Let me go check on my new patient. Hoping the other patients are not disturbing me.
Let's go.
Wetin be this? Wetin be this?
I told you last night don't be fucking smoking if you ain't got my fucking money.
You don't know why it's going on.
Okay, be okay.
Sometimes if you just like move some places like
where we go, sir?
you guys watch that match weekend.
Yeah, we guys watch them together. Cause
you go come my side, come watch the match.
Yes, now that match go be one very tough match. There's a lot in that match.
Arsenal match, I mean,
you guys see Man City. Man City, yeah, Man City match.
How you dey stake like this?
Man City all the way, because Arsenal they form.
Man U too don't form.
No be Man U they play now. Man City, Arsenal.
School go soon resume. Where will they like? You don't buy.
Yeah, they plan go some kind of boutique.
When are you guys resuming?
When are you guys resuming? 1 or 2 clothes.
When are you guys resuming?
Soon.
I go enter class this morning.
Soon. You don't get provision and stuff.
Yeah, I don't get provisions, but I don't really get money like that.
Yeah.
Anyhow, God go help us now.
Yes, now at least no fit ourselves now.
Yeah.
Life no even.
God go actually help.
Life no too hard. Life no hard.
You can't afford to. Torn my shirt to stop you bleeding, but nothing ever stops you leaving. Quiet when I'm coming home, I'm on my own. Like it like, say I like it like that, like it like that. Torn my shirt to stop you bleeding, but nothing ever stops you leaving. Quiet when I'm coming home, I'm on my own. Like it like, say I like it like that, like it like that. You can't afford to. Torn my shirt to stop you bleeding, but nothing ever stops you leaving. Quiet when I'm coming home, I'm on my own. Like it like, say I like it like that, like it like that. Like it like, say I like it like that.
Because I told you last night, don't be fucking smoking if you ain't got my fucking money. I told you that shit last night, right? If you ain't got my money, why you...
Ne laisse pas ton odeur imprégner mes draps, et si tu m'abandonnes, ne laisse pas ton odeur imprégner mes draps, et si tu m'abandonnes, je suis pas celle que tu crois, qu'un cabron ne m'a touché. Prépare-toi, caballero, personne ne m'a touché. La cocaïne, dis ma femme. La cocaïne, dis ma femme. Je suis une femme. You see, for this life, don't bite the hand that fingered you. I don't think so. Don't bite the hand. Don't bite the hand that fingering you. That fingered. That fed you. Okay, that fed you. Okay. Yes. Tu étais, aime-moi, prends-moi dans tes bras, et je n'ai plus personne.
Oh my god, that guy is so cute. That's my brother. I think I like him. Maybe you should go talk to him now. I'm shy. Okay, I'll talk to him for you. Thank you.
You are fun, bro. I see. Bro, who's that?
That's my sister. Bro, don't even dare.
What be this?
Jesus!
fall like the way that I fall for you. Even when we on vehicle to go back to office, I keep on seeing your face.
Jesus.
I don't know why they silence. Your love is toxic. Your love is toxic.
Hey!
How it's a man do, man. How it's a man do, man.
You.
Oh, welcome.
Thank you, man.
Please, what can I offer you?
Pekus.
What?
Pekus.
Yeah! Yeah!